Which Sri Lankan cricketer has retired from international cricket? I'm going to be telling you. Uske baad dekhenge. How did Varun Chakravarti and Sandeep Warrier test positive for COVID-19? In the sense, what could be the possible reason for that happening? In spite of the strict bio-bubble rules, I'm going to be telling you. Aur sabse ant mein dekhenge, who are those 3 team members of the Chennai franchise who have tested positive, unfortunately, for COVID-19. Hello everybody, welcome to News Tracker. This is the show where we keep you updated about everything happening in the world of cricket. My name is Nivedna Prabhu, but before I begin the video, I want to tell all of you, please stay home and stay safe. Only step out when it is necessary, and of course when you step out, do not forget your mask. A lot of things are getting from bad to worse, and we really care about your well-being, so we want you to stay home and stay safe. And let's begin this video to find out what's making news in the world of cricket. Renowned Sri Lankan cricketer Thisara Perera has decided to retire from international cricket. Now, he has taken this decision after informing Sri Lanka Cricket Board regarding the same. However, there are a lot of speculations that this decision has been taken after the fact that selectors had dropped hints initially that they will be dropping senior players from the upcoming tours that Sri Lanka is set to play. Now, what is this entire situation? I'm going to be telling you. Now, earlier, the selectors of Sri Lanka had made a statement that they are considering dropping various senior players from the side for the commencing Bangladesh and ODI tour. Now, as per the reports of Newswire, a senior SLC official stated that the selectors are unlikely to consider Dimuth Karunanatne, Angelo Matthews, Dinesh Chandimal, Suranga Lakmal and Thisara Perera for the upcoming outings for limited overs cricket. Now, this could possibly be one of the reasons why he has taken this decision of retiring from international cricket. However, please tell me in the comment section below, what are some of your favorite matches of Thisara Perera? I'm looking forward to reading those. With the 14th season of the Indian T20 League underway, many are baffled about how these two players, that is Sandeep Warrior and Varun Chakravarti from the Kolkata Knight Riders franchise, have tested positive for COVID-19. Now, one of the reasons why people are baffled is because of the fact that there are some really strict bio-bubble measures. So, owing to these positive cases, is quite difficult to understand because there are many protocols that are being followed up until now. But one of the reports which has been speculated that how Varun Chakravarti could have tested positive is because he did go to a hospital to get a shoulder scan, and it was probably then that he was really exposed to the virus and he picked it up. However, BCCI is yet to confirm if this is how it has happened, but on the other hand, they have given a statement about what the current situation is and how Kolkata Knight Riders really plans now to navigate going forward. And in that statement, the BCCI has said the Kolkata Knight Riders have now moved towards a daily testing routine to identify any other possible cases and treat them at the earliest. The medical team is also determining the close and casual contacts of the 2 positive cases. During the 48-hour prior to collection of sample, they returned the positive test results. The BCCI and the Kolkata Knight Riders prioritize the health and safety of everyone involved, and all measures are being taken in that endeavor. Now, this of course was a media release that was sent out by the BCCI giving an update. But however, comment and tell me, what do you think could be the possible situation that this has happened, and in this context, should the IPL really being continued? Definitely tell me in the comment section below. Moving from one franchise having to deal with positive cases to another franchise which is now dealing with 3 members of their franchise testing positive, that is this Chennai Super Kings. Now, as a part of the Chennai Super Kings team, 3 members have tested unfortunately positive for COVID-19. One is the CEO of the franchise, Kasi Vishwanathan. He has tested positive. On the other hand, the bowling coach of the CSK team, Lakshmipati Palaji, has tested positive, and also a bus cleaner who of course works for the franchise has also tested positive. Now, on the other hand, it is noted that the fact that other members of the CSK have not tested positive as yet, and they have been tested, of course. Now, one has to keep keep in mind that considering all of them have tested positive, they will be of course self-isolating and they will have to do a retest to really come back into that bio bubble once again. However, no official statement has come from the BCCI or from the Chennai team management as yet regarding, how this has affected other playing members of the team, and one has to really wait and watch what those updates are going to be like. Well, that's all I have for you in this edition of the News Tracker. Do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Of course, follow all our social media channels and subscribe to Cricket Tracker. But my question to you today is, tell me one thing on this one hand. Of course, there have been so many situations, right? Like in terms of, it was first the players getting injured, then it was the bio bubble fatigue, then of course KL Rahul had to unfortunately, discontinue from the IPL at the moment because of his operation. And now, of course, with these players testing positive, whether it's Varun Chakravarti or Sandeep Warrier, I want to know from all of you what really lies ahead for the Indian T20 League. What are your thoughts? Definitely share with me in the comment section below. My name is Nivedna Prabhu. I'll be seeing you very soon. Until then, please take care, please stay safe, and of course stay at home and do not forget your mask when you step out. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.